with the decision to order 29 AH-64E heavy attack helicopters from the US. Australia will officially phase out 25 Tiger attack helicopters developed by Europe, although they are still very new. According to the Australian Department of Defence plan, a fleet of high-tech Apache helicopters will be in service with the Army from 2025. The Tiger ARH helicopter first entered service in December 2004. Currently in service with two Canberra-class helicopter landing docks of the Royal Australian Navy. The Australian Tiger helicopters are relatively new, and their service life is estimated to be more than 10 years. Helicopters made in the US and Europe usually have good performance for about 30 years. With the order of the new AH-64Es, Australia will gradually phase out the Tiger helicopters, which can be sold cheaply or are delivered free of charge to Australian-friendly countries. The destination of the Tigers may be the Southeast Asian countries, which have quite good relations with Australia, and Australia is also supporting these countries in ensuring the order and freedom of navigation in the South China Sea. The Tiger ARH, or Armed Reconnaissance Helicopter, is the version ordered by the Australian Army to replace its OH-58 Kiowas and UH-1 Iroquois-based Bushranger gunships. The Tiger ARH is a modified and upgraded version of the Tiger HAP with upgraded MTR-390 engines, as well as a laser designator incorporated in the Strix sight for the firing of Hellfire II air-to-ground missiles. Instead of SNEB unguided rockets, the ARH will use version 70mm rockets. 22 of the variant were ordered in December 2001. Most of the helicopters will be operated by the 1st Aviation Regiment, based at Robertson Barracks in Darwin. The helicopter was shipped to Australia in part from and locally assembled in Brisbane Airport by Australian Aerospace. Tiger helicopters are the product of cooperation between three leading defense industries in Europe, Germany, France, and Spain. The Tiger is capable of undertaking a wide range of combat missions, including armed reconnaissance and surveillance, anti-tank and close air support, escort and protection of friendly assets, and can operate during day or night in all weather conditions, and has been designed to include operations in the aftermath of nuclear, biological, or chemical warfare. The Tiger can also be used in the maritime environment, able to operate from decks of ships, including frigates, and during extreme weather conditions. Amongst the Tiger's notable qualities, it possesses a very high level of agility, much of which is attributed to the design of its 13 meters four-bladed hingeless main rotor. The Tiger can perform full loops and negative G maneuvers. Power is provided by a pair of FedEx-controlled MTU turbomeca Rolls-Royce MTR-390 turboshaft engines. The Tiger has a tandem seat glass cockpit and is operated by a two-man crew, The pilot is placed in the forward position, with the gunner seated behind. Either of the crew members can manage the weapon systems or primarily flight controls, switching roles if necessitated. In addition to fly the aircraft, the Tiger's pilot would typically be in control of the self-defense systems and communications, as well as some secondary weapons functions. The system cost and unit cost varies between variants. Australia's Tiger ARH has a price per unit of 68 million Australian dollars. The latest Tiger HAP variant is estimated to cost 44 to 48 million US dollars. My video about the Australian Tiger ARH helicopter answered. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.